Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Walgreens haul for you guys. I actually did two separate transactions. Everything that you see here was completely free for me, plus a $2.64 moneymaker. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you would go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. So I did two separate transactions. These are the two items that I got in my first transaction, and everything else is what I got in my second transaction. So in my first transaction, I went ahead and grabbed these premium beef hip and joint recipe treats by Pet Shop. And then I also grabbed the triple flavored twists by Pet Shop. So the beef hip and joint recipe, these were actually on clearance for $3.29. The regular price is $6.29. And these twists also were on clearance for $3.29. Regular price $5.49. So for both of those, my total came out to be $6.58. I did have a digital booster where I would get $10 in Walgreens cash when I spend $5 in pet care needs. So I only needed to spend $5 and Walgreens would give me $10. So for both packages, my grand total came out to be $6.58. And then I did receive that $10 back in Walgreens cash. So let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So there's both at $3.29. I did use two registry rewards on this transaction. I used a $1 registry reward and a $4 registry reward, bringing my subtotal to $1.58. So I did pay that using my PayPal debit card. And then when you look down here, I did earn $10.12. So $6.58 for both of them, and then I earned back $10.12. That made this transaction completely free, plus a $3.44 moneymaker. So check your accounts. Not all accounts will get the same boosters. And so now in my second transaction, I used a digital booster, get $12 when you spend $50. I paired that with a paper booster, get $11 when you spend $50. And then I also had another digital booster, get $10 when you spend $5 in pet care needs. So first up, we have the peanut butter bites by Pet Shop. And these are priced at Walgreens for $5.99, and they are buy one, get one 50% off. So my first bag cost me $5.99, and my second bag was half off at $2.99. So $5.99 plus $2.99 brought my grand total to $8.98. And then I did get back that $10 in Walgreens cash for spending at least $5, making both bags completely free, plus a $1.02 moneymaker. And this was on a different account, by the way. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed the Bounce Dryer Sheets, the 105 count, Tide Liquid 37 ounce, Downy Fabric Softener 51 ounce, and then the Tide Pods back there 16 count. Each of those products are priced at $5.49 each. When you buy 4, you will receive a $5 registry reward. We have a $1 digital coupon for the Bounce Dryer Sheets, a $1 digital coupon for the Tide Liquid, $1 digital coupon for the Downy Fabric Softener, and we have a $1 digital coupon for the Tide Pods. So $5.49 times 4 is $21.96. Minus those $4 digital coupons brought my total down to $17.96. And then I did receive back my $5 registry reward for purchasing 4, bringing my grand total down to $12.96 for all 4, or $3.24 each. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of these Gain Ultra Clean Easy Squeeze. And these are priced at Walgreens for $1.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive a $1 registry reward. So you're going to want to purchase 2 at $1.99, and that's going to bring your total to $3.98. We do have a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $3.98 minus that $1 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to $2.98. And then you will receive back this $1 registry reward, bringing your total down to $1.98 for both, or it'll make each one just 99 cents, which is a really great price, and it is cheaper than Walmart. So this is the perfect week to stock up on the Gain Easy Squeeze if this is something that you use on a regular. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of these stem flies, mosquitoes, and gnats. These are priced at Walgreens for $8.99. I purchased 2. So $8.99 times 2 is $17.98. We do have a $7.50 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $17.98 minus that $7.50 digital coupon, that brought my total down to $10.48. Then I went ahead and I submitted my receipt over to IBOTTA because IBOTTA has a rebate for $2 back, and I think the limit is 3. So, but I got 2, so I got a total of $4 back from IBOTTA. So $10.48 minus the $4 from IBOTTA, that brought my total down to $6.48 for both, or $3.24. And this is something that I really needed because, man, these flies have really been getting on my nerves. So really good deal if you need this. And then lastly, I purchased 2 of these Febreze air sprays, and this is the Downy scent. Now, I did have an issue with this, and it was pretty much my fault because I should have scanned these products on the app. I just assumed that they were priced at $3.29. But select Febreze are priced at $3.29, and we do have a $3.30 digital coupon. So if you're going to do the Febreze, make sure they are priced at the $3.29 price. So you're going to purchase 2 at $3.29, and that's going to bring your total to $6.58. We do have a $3.30 digital coupon on the Walgreens app, bringing your total down to just $3.28 for both, or $1.64 each. But because I didn't do my due diligence and check on the app, these ended up ringing up higher for me at the price of $4.49. So make sure you double check. I just assumed that they were priced at $3.29, and maybe they were supposed to be and they just weren't updated yet, but just make sure you double check that. So that is everything that I got in this transaction. So now let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So there are both of my peanut butter bites. One rung up at $5.99. My second one rung up half off at $2.99. My Bounce dryer sheets at $5.49. Tide Pods at $5.49. Downy Liquid $5.49. Tide Liquid $5.49. Both of my Gain Easy Squeeze at $1.99, so $3.98. Both of my stem. Oh, guys, okay, so with the stem products, I forgot. I actually explained it wrong now that I'm looking at my receipt. There is also, guys, a store IVC coupon on the Walgreens app for $1. Since it is an IVC coupon, that $1 will apply to however many products you have in your transaction. So since I purchased 2, an additional $2 came off of my transaction. I totally forgot to mention that, you guys. So instead of my total being $6.48 for both, it actually was $4.48 for both. I completely missed that. But then there's my 2 Febreze Air. As you guys can see, they rung up at $4.49 instead of $3.29. There's my paper spin booster. Get $11 when you spend $40. I thought it was $50, but it's $11 when you spend $40. I did use 4 registry rewards on this transaction. I used 2 $5 registry rewards and 2 $4 registry rewards. My $7.50 digital coupon for my STEM products, $3.30 digital coupon for the Febreze, $1 for the Gain, and my 4 $1 coupons for the P&G products. So it brought my subtotal to $26.08, but of course I have to factor back in those 4 registry rewards I use, which totals $18. So $26.08 plus $18 is $44.08. So that was actually my total. When you look down here where it says earned this visit, I did earn back $33.18. So $44.08 minus the $33.18 that I earned, that brought my total down to just $10.90. Of this $33.18, I earned $12 for spending $50 for my digital booster. I got that $10 back for spending $5 on any pet needs. And then my $11 that I got back for spending $40. And then the extra points is from Walgreens every day. Then I got back $6 in register rewards, my $1 for the gain, and my $5 for the P&G products. So $10.90 minus my $6 register rewards, that brought my total down to just $4.90. And then I did submit my receipt over to IBOTTA, and I got back $4 for both of my STEM products, bringing my grand total down to just 90 cents. But if you remember, in my first transaction was a money maker of $3.54. So I just applied that money maker to this transaction, so 90 cents, and then my $3.54 money maker. That makes all of this completely free, plus a $2.64 money maker. So this was a really great transaction for me, you guys. I have absolutely no complaints. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comment section what you all are getting this week from Walgreens. Don't forget to submit your receipts over to Fetch Rewards. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. So again, guys, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video.